Two school employees who met with an alleged school shooter prior to the attack in Michigan were placed on leave following that deadly shooting last fall. It happened at Oxford High School. The dean of students and also the school counselor were informed that they would be placed on leave in December, days after Ethan Crumbley opened fire inside that building, killing 4 students and injuring 7 others. It was learned both of those employees had a meeting with the student only hours before the shooting took place. We now know there were requests for him to go home. That didn't happen. Correspondent Kelly Beeson joining us now. So, Kelly, do we know if these 2 employees have returned to work?
Well, according to an attorney for the school district, Marnie, those 2 are still employed by the school district, and following summer break, both will be working at 2 different schools within the district. We spoke with an attorney representing the families of the victims today as well, who calls this recent revelation about school staff being placed on leave, quote, not surprising.
This doesn't surprise me because, again, part of the conceal, cover up, deny, delay, defend, it just goes, it's consistent with what they've done since the day of.
Attorney Ven Johnson says that this new revelation reported by the Detroit News that the dean of students and a school counselor were each placed on non-disciplinary administrative leave following the shooting is yet another example of what he calls overwhelming evidence the school district mishandled the situation before and after shots rang out at Oxford High School.
It means that something went wrong and they needed time to look at it. But what we're going to find out is they had to leave and there was no investigation done whatsoever by the Oxford Community Schools. So then why did you give them time off? Just for fun and pay them at taxpayer expense? It's an absolute joke.
Johnson is representing families in the school district in a nearly 40-page lawsuit alleging negligence by school officials and Crumbley's parents over the attack. Johnson says school staff violated the Michigan Child Protection Act by not removing Crumbley from school.
These people simply, plain and simple, did not do their jobs. They blew it and had the best opportunity to search that backpack and find the gun, find the ammunition, and find the 30-some page manifesto, and then the shooting would have been averted.
Exhibits in the lawsuit detail Ethan Crumbley's drawings, reading, "The thoughts won't stop, help me, and my life is useless." The district also releasing a lengthy note titled Clarification from the Superintendent. It reads in part, "We have always taken threats very seriously and will continue to listen to students and parents who report threats to the district. In reminding everyone to say something if you see something, we are in no way suggesting that our community has ever hesitated to do so in the past."
Now, also mentioned in that post were that tips given to the district were forwarded to law enforcement, adding that the county prosecutor has asked that the school district not unduly comment on details surrounding this case, Marnie.
All right, Kelly, thank you.